Everyone, welcome to Ashrami Vidyalaya. Students, in this video, we will start in our chapter number 20, prepositions. Circle the correct preposition from those given in the bracket. The ferry takes people the river. Here we see three prepositions: over, on, across. So students, here is talking about the river. So the ferry takes people across the river. So proper and right preposition is across. Keep the clothes the cupboards under, inside, behind. Clothes कहाँ पे रखते हैं हम? Inside the cupboard. So preposition is inside. The children jump the water puddle, at, into, behind. So here is the answer is the children jump into the water puddle. I slept an hour in the afternoon. I slept for an hour in the afternoon. The soldier marched the hill until, during, into. So here is a into the hall. The soldier marched into the hall. So you have already learned that a preposition is connecting word that show the relation of a noun or a pronoun to some other word in a sentence. Means preposition is connecting word that show the relation of a noun or pronoun. Means a noun or a pronoun which follow a preposition is called the object of the prepositions. Jaya knocked at the door. The parrot is inside its cage. The old man is sitting under the tree. The driver jumped into the pool. So students, here we see at, inside, under, into, that is talking about the place. So the highlighted word are preposition, the underlined parts of the object of these prepositions. A preposition can have more than one object also. For example, the aeroplane flew over the mountains and the plains. The butterflies dance among the roses and the daisies. Function of prepositions. Prepositions are used to express a number of relationships, including time, destination, position, origin, motion, mean, and purpose. Study this table to understand the different functions of prepositions. Indicating time. For example, the performance starts at 7 p.m. So here he is talking about the time and we using a at prepositions. You should be home before the sun sets. So before is talking about the time. Also after, also preposition, because it is also talking about the time. Indicate destination. We should not throw stones at animal. Here we talking about the destination. So at is a preposition. Seeing the mother, the baby crawled to her. To is preposition. Indicating position. Your book are laying on the bed. On. Her house is at the end of the road. Indicating origin. I cannot step out of the house on a Sunday. She got a surprise birthday gift from her aunt in Germany. Now indicating motion. The bullet went through his heart. He walked across the bridge to other side of the field. Indicating means the roof of the house was struck by lightning and you can unlock the cupboard with the spare key. Indicating purpose. They are collecting money to set up a small clinic in the locality. She is preparing a fresh list of applicants for audit purpose. So here we see the many preposition with the many purpose, means, motion, origin, position, destination and time. Now underline the preposition and encircle the object. Time for exercise. The new English teacher is popular with the students. So students, in this sentence the preposition is with. So we underline with and the students are object. So we encircle the students. Next is Lina was saying nasty things about somebody. So here is about preposition and somebody is object. She sell the seashell by the seashore. So here is by preposition and the seashore is the object. When did you recover from your illness? So from is preposition and your illness is object. Mrs. Bose never come to office on time. So on is preposition and time is object. The woman got off the bus at the red fort. So at is preposition and the red fort is object. The naughty boy fell down the stair. So down is preposition and the stair is object. The complaint against her classmate. So in this sentence against is preposition and her classmate is object. The lion went into the cave. So the lion went into is preposition and the cave is object. I found a photograph I was looking for beneath the files. So students, in this sentence beneath is the preposition and the file is object. I will show these reports to the doctor. So to is preposition and the doctor is object. Do not lean against the wall. So against is preposition and the wall is object. Okay, so this is our first exercise of this chapter. Now these two are your PW practice work. Now learn more about the prepositions. While some prepositions have multiple uses, the other are little confusing. The preposition at, in and on can indicate both time and place. For example, prepositions at, in, on indicating time at noon, at 2 o'clock, at 9:30 p.m. and indicating place at the door, at the airport, at the desk. Means when we talking about the indicating time, we also using a at, and also when we talking about the place, also we using a at. So at, in and on can indicate both time and place. In September, in 1987, in winter. In the cartoon, in a village, in a glass. On Friday, on the first day of the month, on the last day of the semester. Indicating place, on the glass, on the shelf, on the wall. So at, in and on are also indicate time and place. The prepositions at, in and on are not used before today, yesterday, tomorrow, next and last. Now look at here. In and on are used for things at rest, while into and upon are used for things that are in a motion. For example, the crayon are in the pencil box. The vase is on the table. The mouse crawled into the hole. The tiger sprang upon the calf. Scenes tell us about the moment of time when an action begins. And for sell, 4. Tell us about the duration of an action. For example, I have not seen my grandparents since July. I have not seen my grandparents for 6 months. So, since and for is also the prepositions. Beside means next to or near, and besides mean in addition to. Here is a beside and here is a besides, but the more both the meaning is changed. For example, she sat beside me in the class today. I gifted her pens and pencils besides 2-story book. Out is used to refer to a movement from inside into somewhere open, and outside is used to refer to a position or location in the open. For example, hearing a loud thud, mother went out to see what had happened, and the warden kept Silpi waiting outside the room. So out and outside are also prepositions, but the meaning are different. On the base of this preposition, now we will continue and do our exercise. Learn fill in the blanks with suitable preposition from the bracket. Okay. The attic was full, blank, dusty boxes and cobwebs around of. So students, here is the right word. Preposition is of. Full of dusty boxes. The streets were flooded, blank, water behind or with. So here is a flooded with. A faint light shone, blank, the thicket. So here is through. So we write through here. Mother stay in USA, blank, a few weeks. Here is talking about the few week, यानी कुछ weeks की बात हो रही है. So we using here for. Next, Simi has not slept, blank, last evening. So here we using a since. The cubs play, blank, the bush around on around. The rat crept, blank, the hall into. So into is correct preposition. We play badminton, blank, Monday. So here we using on Monday. The leopard sprang, blank, its prey on upon. So upon. I accidentally stepped, blank, the banana peel on at. So on. Okay, here our exercise complete. Now we are going to next exercise. Fill in the blank using at, in, or on. So let's start. Blank, the age of 7, she could play the piano expertly. So here is which preposition we used? Talking about piano expertly and the age of 7. So talking about the time, so we using at the age of 7. Will you be visiting your grandparents, blank, Diwali this year? So students, here we using on Diwali. On Diwali. Next, we will meet the principal blank 9 a.m. blank Monday. So here is two preposition come. So first talking about the time. So at 9 a.m. and on Monday. Will you attend Rishi's wedding? Blank June. So students, here we using in preposition. Next, let's go out for lunch. Blank Saturday. So we using here on Saturday. She received a lot of present. Blank her birthday. So here we using on her birthday. The keys are laying blank the table, on the table. I think there is a fly blank my coffee, in my coffee. The committee will give me a reply blank month's time. So here we using in, reply in a month's time. Does he go for his cricket coaching blank Sunday as well? So here we talking about the time on Sunday as well. Okay. So here our exercise A complete. Now we left here exercise B and C. Okay. So learn exercise fill in the blank and fill in the blank and underline the prepositions and circle their object. These are the main exercise of this chapter. So students, write these answer in your workbook properly. In the next video, we will continue in our next chapter. So bye bye, take care, thank you.